Greetings to everyone. I am Shravani Srija Palla, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science, St. Joseph College for Women. Today we are going to discuss about the topic meat methods in preparation of meat products. Before we start cooking meat, proper preparation is essential to ensure the best texture, flavor, and safety. Let's go through the key preparation techniques. Cutting and trimming. This step ensures even cooking by removing excess fat and unwanted parts. Different dishes require different cutting techniques. For example, steaks need even slices, while stir fries require thin strips. Marination. Marination enhances both flavor and tenderness. There are three types of marinades: acidic, enzymatic, and spice based. Grinding and mincing. Used for making processed meats like sausage, burger, and kebab, the choice of fine or coarse grinding affects the texture. Maintaining hygiene is critical to prevent contamination. Tenderization methods: natural, mechanical, and chemical. Proper preparation sets the foundation for great cooking results. So, it's important to use the right technique based on the dish you are making. Now that we have prepared our meat, let's talk about different cooking methods: dry heat cooking, moist heat, combination, and specialized methods. First, let us go with the dry heat cooking. Uses heat without added liquid. Examples include roasting, grilling, frying, smoking, and broiling. These methods create deep flavors by browning the meat surface through the Maillard reaction. Moist heat cooking uses water, broth, or steam to retain moisture. Techniques include boiling, stewing, poaching, and pressure cooking. These methods are excellent for tougher cuts of meat as they break down collagen and make the meat tender. Combination cooking. This method blends dry and moist heat. Examples include braising, slow cooking, and sous vide, which result in rich flavors and soft textures. Specialized methods. Stir frying quickly cooks thinly sliced meats at high heat, often with vegetables. Microwaving is primarily used for reheating rather than cooking meat from raw. Choosing the right cooking method depends on the type of meat, desired texture, and available equipment. Now let us go through the dry heating methods in detail. Dry heating cooking methods develop rich flavors by browning the meat surface. Let's go over them in detail. Roasting. Meat is cooked in an oven or over an open flame at high temperatures, which is about 160 to 250 degrees Celsius. Best for large cuts like roasts, turkey, and whole chicken. The outer crust develops a crispy texture, but overcooking can dry out the meat. The following are the advantages and disadvantages of roasting. Grilling uses direct heat from charcoal, gas, or electric grills, which is about 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, which is more than that of roasting. Works well for steaks, burgers, and kebabs. Produces smoky, charred flavors but may form harmful compounds if overcooked. The advantages are produces smoky charred flavors, fast cooking method, whereas the disadvantages are it can dry out on overcooking and the high temperatures may create carcinogenic compounds. Frying uses oil to create a crispy crust. There are three types of frying, which are deep frying, shallow frying, and sauteing. Deep frying submerges meat in hot oil for a crunchy texture, whereas shallow frying uses less oil but may result in uneven cooking. Sauteing is a quick method using minimal oil over medium high heat. Smoking and barbecuing. Meat is cooked slowly at low temperatures, about 100 to 150 degrees Celsius, over wood smoke, ideal for brisket, ribs, and pulled pork. Advantages are enhanced flavor with smoky aroma, makes meat tender by breaking down collagen. Disadvantages are it takes several hours, requires specialized equipment. Broiling. Similar to grilling but done in an oven with heat from above. Good for steaks and chops but requires close monitoring to prevent burning. These methods are ideal for creating rich, flavorful dishes, but they require careful control of temperature and time. Here comes the second most used cooking methods, which are moist heat cooking methods. Now let's discuss about the moist heat cooking methods which use liquid to keep meat tender and juicy. Boiling. Meat is fully submerged in boiling liquid for about 100 degrees Celsius. Best for bone-in meats, soup and broth. Extracts flavor into the liquid but may lose taste if not seasoned well. Stewing uses a small amount of liquid at low temperatures, about 70 to 90 degrees Celsius, works well for tough cuts like beef stew and lamb curry. Takes time but results in tender and flavorful meat. The disadvantage is it takes longer than that of boiling. Poaching. Meat is cooked in simmering water without boiling. Best for delicate meats like chicken breasts and fish. Preserves moisture but lacks deep caramelized flavors. Pressure cooking uses steam and high pressure to cook meat quickly. Excellent for stews and braised meat. Saves time and energy but requires precise timing to avoid overcooking. Moist heat cooking is ideal for tough cut of meat, helping to break down collagen and enhance tenderness. Combination cooking methods use both dry and moist heat, making them perfect for tough meats that need extra time to break down. Braising. Meat is first seared at high heat, then slowly cooked in a small amount of liquid at low temperatures. Works well for pot roast, short ribs, and osso buco. Takes time but creates tender, flavorful dishes. Slow cooking uses a crock pot or slow cooker to gently cook meat over several hours. Best for pulled pork, stews, and ribs. Enhance flavor but requires patience. Sauce vide. Meat is vacuum sealed and cooked in a temperature controlled water bath. Ensures perfect doneness every time. Requires special equipment but delivers consistent results. These methods are great for developing deep, rich flavors while maintaining tenderness. Other cooking methods are stir frying, uses a wok or pan at high heat to quickly cook thinly sliced meat. Best for dishes like beef stir fry and kung pao chicken. Retains moisture while developing a slightly crispy exterior. Microwaving uses microwave radiation to heat or cook meat, mainly used for reheating cooked meat rather than cooking from raw. These methods are quick and convenient, though they may not always provide the same depth of flavor as other techniques. In conclusion, mastering meat preparation and cooking techniques is essential for achieving the best flavors and textures. Proper preparation, including cutting, marination, and tenderization, ensures meat is ready for cooking. Combination methods like braising and sauce vide create rich, tender dishes. Cooking methods vary from dry heat techniques like grilling, roasting to moist heat techniques like stewing and boiling. Specialized methods like stir frying offer quick cooking options. By understanding and applying these techniques, we can enhance the quality and taste of every meat based dish we prepare. In the following presentation, we will be discussing about factors affecting the cooking quality of meat and changes during cooking. Thank you. Have a nice day.